Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a Battlefield 2042 lag problem. If you want to fix it, click here and then type background apps and make sure to turn off this option and then close it and go to Windows Update Settings. Check for updates and make sure to install the latest update. To install all the updates that you can find. Then go to GeForce Experience drivers. Now if you find an update here, install it. Go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling, and then restart your computer. And after starting your computer, open Task Manager and now close all the applications that you don't need. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.